Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Here we need to find the probability. The given question is the cards bearing numbers 1 to 135 to 35 are kept in the bag. A card is drawn at random from the bag. So we need to find the probability of getting a card which has a prime number is less than 15, and also the probability of getting a card a number is divisible by 3 and 4. So let's write down the given numbers 135 to 35. Let that numbers as AP. AP is the arithmetic progression. So we are just assume that 135 to 35 is AP just to find the total number of possibilities. Here the first term is A1 and the difference, common difference D is 2 because 3 minus 1 is 2 or 5 minus 3 is 2, and the final time, nth term, the last term is 35. So we know that the arithmetic progression nth term equation is AN is equals to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. So 35 is equals to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. So subtract 1 on both sides. So 35 minus 1 is 34. So 34 is equals to n minus 1 into 2. So n minus 1 is equals to 34 divided by 2, which is 17. So if n minus 1 is equals to 17, then n value is 18. So n minus 1 is equals to 17 and n is equals to 18. So which means the total number of outcomes, the total number of possible outcomes are 18. Now we can find the probability, the total number of outcomes. The total number of outcomes are 18. Now find the probability. The first one is the probability of getting a prime number which is less than 15. The probability of getting a prime number which is less than 15. So first write down the prime numbers which are less than 15. So what are the prime numbers? From 0 to 15. Is 2, and then 3, and then 5, 7, 11, and 15, and 13, I mean. Yeah. So the total of 6. So how many prime numbers are there in less than 15? Which are 6. So the probability of getting a prime number which is less than 15 is 16 by total number of outcomes is 18, so which is 1 by 3. The next one is the probability of getting a number divisible by 3 and 5. The probability of getting a number divisible by 3 and 5. So what are the numbers that are divisible by 3 as well as 5? So the numbers are 15 and 30. I mean, we have the series from 1 to 35. So from in that series, so how many numbers? Which is just 15 and 30. But in the given series, all are odd numbers. So 30 is not in the list. So we can't include that 30. Which means we just have one number that can be divisible by 3 as well as 5. So we can conclude that the probability of getting a number divisible by 3 and 4 is 1 by 18, because 18 is the total number of outcomes. So the probability of getting a number divisible by 3 and 5 is 1 by 18. I hope you understand this question now. Thanks for watching.